Hello and welcome to the Cross and Motorcycles Trading Limited. We're the distributors of a few different pit bike ranges. So our main range is the VMX range. Some of you might have seen these before. They were launched last year. Michael done up with Michael, who's been doing a lot of the testing on them, and he's now the brand manager. So the range starts from a VMX 60. It's actually a 65. It's got upside down, not like a lot of conventional pit bikes. These are made very, very strong. Upside down forks, bracing on the frame, skid plate. One of the main things on these here is they're also electric start on the 60, and it also has a fluid reservoir for front and back. So they're not cable brakes, they're actually full reservoir brakes. So it's disc brakes back and forward on that. Then it moves, that there basically ages the child from between in and around about some 3-year-olds, at more 4-year-old. There is also a throttle control mechanism in these, so you can actually control the speed of the throttle. You move on to, so this will do probably around about 4-year-old, 3 to 4-year-old, up to about maybe 6 to 7. And once you go to about 6 to 7, then move to a 110. Incidentally, the 60 is fully automatic. On the 110 you move to a semi-automatic. Again, it's got upside down full suspension in it, full brace frame with a VMX, skid pan on the back. It's also got a throttle control assembly also, so you can adjust the speed. It's electric start, suitable for a child of around about 7-year-old up to probably in around 9 to 10. Then they move from a 110 into the VMX 125. So the 125 is an air-cooled engine. Again, it's a bigger size. It's got the upside down forks, full suspension. It's got actually an adjustable rear shock on the 125. All from the 125 upwards, you can adjust the height right on the shock. A lot of bikes don't give you that option. Then you move from that there's basically designed for a child of probably around 11, 12 years of age up until 125. Depending on the height of the child obviously, and then you can run into a 140. Incidentally, the 125 is actually available in a small wheel or a big wheel, so you can get it 12, 14 or 14, 17. Then you run into what they call the VMX 140. So the VMX 140 it only comes in one wheel size. That's a 14, 17. Upside down forks, full suspension, toughened frame, skid pan, a few other wee bits and pieces, but the brake lever. It's also got the flick back levers. So hitting the 125 come with a flick back lever, so you fall off, you don't break levers. So that would suit probably a child. You're the teenager for that one. Then you move into, that's a 140. These are an oil-cooled engine, by the way. Then you move into the 160, which comes in two colours. Comes in the blue or the orange. Again, it's got a full suspension, upside down forks, a fully adjustable rear shock. It's all heavy duty shocks in this stuff too. Skid pan, proper aluminium skid pan on them. Got the hand protectors and all that sort of stuff on them, So that's really suitable for a child of maybe in around 14, 16, 17, something to that age group, so you have two different colours of it. We now move on to the VMX range again. We do 250. This is just new in. We've got a good few of these in, and being honest with you, they've been selling quite well. 18-inch rear wheel, 21-inch front. Full electric start, heavy duty suspension, upside down forks. Good strong bike, and it's not made for going over tabletops. These we have to remember that they're a pit bike, so more is a field bike for fiddling about, but a bit of fun. If you want full competition, well, it's going to have to be something a lot more money. These here retail at 2,099. Good bike, and aluminium swinging arm and everything on them there too, so there's no bother or rust or any of that sort of stuff. Incidentally, all that range is on our website. I'll tell you that in a second. Also, VMX do two other ATVs in the range. So they do a 70cc ATV, retails at 999, and they do a 110cc in that there. Sorry, a 70cc with a big wheel. It's an extra £200 with a big wheel version of that. Then we do the VMX. That's suitable. Sorry, that 70 is suitable for a child of around 4-year-old, up to about around 7, 8 years of age. And you can put a bigger weight on that one. which we have. Next one in the range would be the VMX 125 ATV. So that there is available. It comes with disc brakes all right round, comes with speedo on it, comes with hand guards. It also comes in two versions. You can get fully automatic at 15.29, and then you can get the geared version of it, which comes with four forward gears and one reverse, and the geared version is 15.99, and it also comes with disc brakes, speedo. It's basically a well finished bike, and there's a throttle control on both those models also. So for all for the VMX range, you can actually come to the shop here, or you can visit our sister company, the visorshop.com. If you go to the visorshop.com, you look at up in the top bar, it says bikes and whatever. So you'll see Pitbikes. You'll see when you hover over that, Pitbikes. You'll see a full dealer map of Ireland we have, and find your nearest dealer. So if you're not in this area and you're from Donegal to down as far as Killarney, just have a look and you'll see you have a dealer close to you. That's the guys we were supplying. And parts, everything, all the full backup is available, and we get warranty sheets and stuff like that with them. So if you click onto the visorshop.com, have a look through the full website, basically your dealer locator, and it will give you all the details, telephone, and then you just give them a shout. Most of them guys should be stocking the stuff. Don't forget, Michael Dunlop's the main man, as in he's a brand ambassador, so he has put his name behind it. Other thing is, you find most of these guys at Christmas clubs open as we have ourselves. So if you're local to us, you want to call in, you can put a deposit in any machine and we hold it up to Christmas for you, and it's the same for all the dealers. So.